Seeing cannot download photo on your iPhone? Let's fix it fast. First, reproduce the error by tapping the photo to confirm the message. Open Settings, tap your name, then go to iCloud and select Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on and choose the appropriate download option. Next, check Wi-Fi or cellular. A weak connection can block downloads. Also, verify your iCloud storage level. Downloads need available space in iCloud. If storage and settings look good, sign out of iCloud and sign back into Refresh Syncing. To sign out, tap your name, scroll, choose Sign Out, then enter your Apple ID to sign back in. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS by checking software update. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear any hidden connection issues. After these steps, reopen Photos and attempt the download again. That should fix it. Still stuck? Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Follow for more quick fixes.